Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb for On Gardening. One of the newer plants that really has taken off is the Lepto, we call it. And the Lepto has these beautiful little pink blossoms that tend to be covered about 10 months of the year. Leptospermum, I think, is the Latin name for it, and it's one that we see growing in full sun to partial shade. Now, this plant is nice and full, and it has blooms on all the terminal growth. A good bloomer type fertilizer, probably about every 2 months in a highlight area, maybe every 3 or 4 months in a low light area. And remember, of course, that some of the bloomer type fertilizers will be a little higher in the second and third number. When you plant this, make sure that it's in a good peaty type soil. They really like a good organic based soil, and they'll do better for you when you plant it. Make sure it's planted at the same depth level that it was growing in this particular container or the container you buy. You can get bigger containers and smaller ones of this plant. Remember that the smaller the container, the more frequently you have to water. The Leptos are plants that flower 10 months of the year and will make a nice addition in your landscape. For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.